Hello forex traders, this is your boys back here, and guys, welcome to another interesting episode. It is December time, and there's a whole lot of things going on in our lives, but yes, it's a lot too that goes on in the forex industry. Okay, so you're a new trader and you don't know if you should trade in the month of December. If you should trade, then between which period should you trade up to, and after when should you resume with your trading? Okay, once you stop, because at a certain point in the month of December you have to stop. All right, so I'll give everything to you from my experience, and as I told you guys, in this video is going to be a one-on-one, a heart-to-heart discussion. So guys, stick behind, get yourself a cup of tea or a cappuccino, because it's going to be quite relaxing and you'll get a lot in this video. All right, okay, so without further ado, let's start it. Okay, so guys, December. We all know what goes on in the month of December, all right? The question is, should I trade or I should not trade? From the beginning of the month of December, you can trade, all right, up to 15th or 20th of December. Now, guys, let me open up a bracket here, okay? You need to rest, all right? You can't be saying that I'm trading throughout the whole year and in December too, I want to trade. Listen, if I have to give you a recommendation, I will say that if you can, in the month of December, close. Don't even trade, all right? Because of the things that I will tell you, okay? Don't even trade. But if you want to trade, then I will advise you that you trade from 1st December to 15th and at max to 20th of December. Then after that, from the 20th of December to New Year, between 5th of January, you guys don't have to trade. And I'm gonna give you my reservations after, all right? You just stick behind, okay? I'm giving you my reservations. Then you let me know your opinion in the comment section, okay? Then after the 5th of January, which is the new year, you guys can start trading. So why did I say that between this period of time? So now I won't even talk about when you can trade, okay? That means from the 5th to the 20th. We won't even talk about that, because during that period, you can trade. Everything is still normal. The holidays, we are not yet into the full period of the holiday seasons, you know, so we still have a lot of activities going on. Okay, so you can be trading during that period. All right, now when it gets to the 20th to the 5th of January, you don't want to be trading. Why? Because one, a lot of banks, a lot of activities, a lot of the market participants will be off, so you don't want to be trading because they are the ones who run the market. So that's why you don't want to be trading. Two, some brokers may close, some, not all. Most brokers remain open. You understand me? But I think in this period, a lot of brokers take advantage of this period to do their maintenance and things like that. But for the most part, most brokers are open. All right. But the problem is the next point that I'm about to give to you. Third reason why you need to stop trading in this period is because, guys, there is a lot of fake outs. There's a lot of fake outs and manipulations. So that is why you don't want to be trading during this period. Okay, why is there fake outs? This leads me to my fourth point, because there is less volatility. That is one of the reasons why you should not trade, right? Because the market is run by human beings, and all these human beings during this period, a lot of them will be taking time out to relax, to go on vacation. Companies will be closed. A lot of banks will stop majority of their activities, or they will even close. So why do you want to be the only one in the market? You that your money don't even say nothing in the market. Why do you want to stay in the market? You are just exposing yourself for someone to eat you up. That is why you don't want to be trading, all right, in the month of December during this period of time that I gave you, okay, from the 20th to the 5th of January. Why? Because there is less volatility, all right? Now, because of that, if someone says, oh no, man, I still want to trade, I didn't say that the market will close, because the market in itself, it will close around the 24th, 25th, 26th, and New Year, okay? 1st of January. That is the period that the market closed, all right? But what I mean is the market will close, even if it is Monday and it is 25th or 26th, you won't see the candles forming. You won't see that. You'll see that the candle is blocked. Like like what you see most of the times during the weekend, okay, for retailers, okay? So that is why I mean by during this period, the markets won't be active. That is why I said that between this time frame, it's even of no use trading, because 25th, they will close the market. It could even be Monday, Friday, during the week, but they will have the market closed. Then it's open on 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, then January, first day of January, they close it again. So if the first January happens to be, let's say, on Tuesday, it is closed. Do you understand me? So with all this close open, you can imagine, just try and imagine what is going on behind the scene. Are you getting me? I'm not saying that, you know, someone will manipulate you or something like that, but bro, you can tell that a lot of people is not around. So it opens more room for manipulation. It opens more room for fake outs, especially for the brokers that are not regulated. All right, guys, it's very, very important. Okay, so let this get into your head. I will advise you that from the 20th to 5th of January, take a break. My brother, take a break. Take a break from trading. Let your mind relax. Go on vacation. Have a family time with your family. All right, then come back afresh, all energized, having relaxed your mind. Then you come back in the market in the new year after the 5th. So let's say if you want to trade in, you know, those days, you remember I told you that you can trade from the 20th to the 5th of remember I told you not to trade, okay, from the 20th to the 5th of January. All right, but in between them, the market will be open. There are some days that the market will be open, like the 20th, the market will be open, 21st, the market will be open, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, the market will be open. Okay, so these days, if someone wants to trade, what will someone be trading? I would say it all depends on your strategy at the end of the day, because if your strategy is a strategy that demands a lot of volatility for you to hit your goals, your targets, then don't trade. Example, breakout strategy. Example, trend following strategies. Don't trade. Are you getting me? Because there will be less volatility. So that is what I would say. If you have some other strategy that it is like, you know, let's say reversal strategy, then you can trade. You understand me? You can trade in these days, but you need to have your eyes open. All right, because you could be a subject of manipulation. So guys, that is all I want to say, and I intend to do this video because when I started myself too, I was worrying. I was like, man, December with all these holidays in between, do we have to trade or what? And then, you know, with time, having gone through different mentors, different courses, different studies, and with my own experience, I realized that yes, there are some times in December that you can trade, but when we enter into a certain period of the Christmas holidays time phase, you don't want to be even close to the market. All right, so guys, I'll bring this lesson to an end. All right, if you had a bad experience during the December period, put it in the comment section. All right, so that it can even be a lesson to me, it can even be a lesson to the members of this community. All right, and guys, if you've not subscribed yet, you are new to this channel, you've watched the video to this point and you did enjoy it, guys, make sure you do subscribe, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, and become part of this community. All right, guys, I thank you very much for your time. Guess what? I approve this one too as well. I will see you in my next video. Peace out.